Main points: Dearborn, a city of progress and innovation. Dearborn, Michigan, has a rich history of progress and innovation. The city played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's history, from its humble beginnings as a rural settlement to its transformation into a major manufacturing hub. Dearborn is known for its association with Henry Ford and the Ford Motor Company, whose groundbreaking assembly line revolutionized manufacturing and helped to put the United States on wheels. The city is also home to the Henry Ford Museum and Greenfield Village, a living history museum that showcases American innovation and ingenuity. Dearborn's legacy of progress and innovation continues to inspire and attract visitors from around the world. Main points: Henry Ford's legacy. Henry Ford's sprawling estate, Fair Lane, is a testament to the industrialist's vision and innovation. The estate's meticulously manicured lawns, gardens, and historic mansion offer a glimpse into the life and legacy of one of Dearborn's most prominent figures. Ford was a pioneer in the automotive industry, and his Model T revolutionized transportation. He also had a profound impact on American society, introducing the $5 workday and profit sharing for his employees. Fair Lane is now a museum, where visitors can learn about Ford's life and work, and explore the history of the American automobile industry. Main points: the Henry Ford Museum and Greenfield Village. The Henry Ford Museum and Greenfield Village is a living history museum that transports visitors back in time. The museum features meticulously preserved buildings, antique vehicles, and interactive exhibits that bring the past to life. Visitors can explore a variety of historical settings, including a 19th-century village, a working farm, and a transportation museum. The museum also houses a vast collection of artifacts, including the Wright brothers' bicycle shop and Rosa Parks bus. The Henry Ford Museum and Greenfield Village is a great place to learn about American history and innovation. Main points: Islamic Center of America. The Islamic Center of America is the largest mosque in North America. Its impressive architecture and sprawling prayer halls reflect the city's diverse and vibrant Muslim community. The center is a hub for religious, educational, and cultural activities, and it serves as a gathering place for Muslims from all over the world. The Islamic Center of America is a symbol of the growing Muslim population in the United States, and it plays an important role in promoting interfaith understanding and cooperation. Main points: Arab American National Museum. The Arab American National Museum celebrates the contributions and experiences of Arab Americans. The museum's exhibits tell the stories of immigrants and their descendants, highlighting their struggles, achievements, and cultural heritage. The museum is a place where Arab Americans can learn about their history and culture, and where non-Arabs can gain a better understanding of the Arab American experience. The Arab American National Museum is an important institution that helps to promote diversity and understanding in the United States.